All right, let's do a little haul. I think I had enough of the Goodwill Bins. Look at this little Pooh Bear right here. I think it's like a blow mode. Oh, it says it's a piggy bank. I think Winnie the Pooh is back in style. Let me Google Lens this and see how much it sells for. I Google Lens it, but I could not find this exact one. All right, everybody's digging, so I guess they just refilled this wall, and it looks like they're about to do that one over there. It's like a wood tray, but it has some holes in it for some reason. I don't know what this is for. Here's a snowman hat. There's a snowman right there. Little metal, I guess this is Santa. Not sure. Some blue and silver ornaments. Oh, bell wreath. I'm gonna get this. I like that, and then I can just spray paint it gold, and it'll be super cute. There's some big bells right here. Oh, these are from Hobby Lobby. I actually bought a box of these, so I actually think I bought 2 boxes. I probably don't need any more. Let me get my wreath. These are cute just to put on a mirror or even a picture or something that you have, just to add a little bit of a Christmas vibe to it. Ooh, do we have a spring colored quilt right here? Look at this. Some of it is in rough shape, but some of these are still intact. I wonder how big it is. And of course, these look great just folded up or hung on a hook. I don't think it's too big. I think we can rescue this one. If you have a glass cabinet, you just fold your vintage worn quilts up like this, and they look so cute all stacked up. Look at the face on this baby. I love it. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this cat painting. That is amazing. Does not look like Maxine, but this might look like one of y'all cats. The artist did not sign it. All right, we're rescuing this. All right, I'm ready. I got my bag. They're about to open up the walls to dig. Is this supposed to be a turtle? I'm not sure. Oh wait. Oh, it is. Turtle. I don't know. I think you put your shoes on it. Oh, this is the head. And that's the tail. I don't know. It's a weird looking turtle. I just found some canvases on easels. My son Waylon has been painting a lot. I just bought him a bunch of canvases, so I'm gonna grab those for him. And they have a bunch of these little butterflies right here. They're so cute. I don't love the butterflies. They're kind of bright, but I'm wondering if I could, I don't know, paint them, or I don't know. I think they're cute and be fun to stick in vignettes. I'm gonna get a few of them and see if I can come up with something. If y'all have any ideas, let me know. I do have tons of butterfly IOD transfers. It's just if they are the same size as this, you know? If this sweatshirt didn't have so many stains on it, I would get it. I love dolls. There's a box of Christmas stuff. Let's see what's inside. I think this might just be art. Plate. Y'all, this music is bringing me back to high school. Tag. These are pretty cute. There's some little ornaments. I like these. We have a plate right here. What are these? Okay, little fabric trees. I like those too. Oh look, they got a bunch of the fabric trees and some more of the little candy canes. I think that's just probably some napkins or placemats. Anything else in here? Okay. I think I'm going to get, oh, the sign is cute. I like that. Yeah, I might get that too. Let me get the fabric trees, candy canes, and I think I'm gonna get this sign right here. It's a Christmas tree. There's nobody around. Okay, so y'all don't stress. Oh wait, they brought out a new bin. Don't stress. Nobody's gonna steal my stuff that I said I wanted. Oh, okay. So these are string lights, but what if you cut the cord and turn this into ornaments? I think these are so pretty. I wonder if they make a single light bulb that you could just stick in there. Of course, if you have a lit tree, it would probably reflect through here. I think these are really cute. I think I'm gonna get them and try to turn them into ornaments. All right, I was able to pull the light out of them, so I'm just gonna get the white ones. And before y'all come at me in the comments, this bin has been here for a long time. It's about to get taken away, and all of this stuff is going in the dump. So it's no big deal. This is how it is at the bins. You take what you want and you leave what you don't. I'm actually rescuing these from getting thrown away. I have these 3 mugs up here. It says garden. I don't know what I said, y'all. I don't know nothing about them, but they had a handmade look to them. I love the creamy white and the little stripes at the bottom. And I don't see any chips on these. I'm gonna get all 3 of them. I already have a pickle, so I'm not gonna get this one, but I can't just leave him in the bin with all the other stuffed animals. We're gonna put him up here, and so hopefully somebody rescues him. They just brought out a new bin. I got 2 things. I like this little floral holder. I might, I will change up the gold a little bit. It looks a little fake and shiny to me, but I know I can make it look more expensive and put some florals in it. And cute little cloche. I wish I could find a whole bin of these. I love the little knobby top too. All right, let's do a little haul of what's in my bag after digging through these walls. These are actually wrapped up, so nobody grabbed them. I unwrapped them and I was so excited. And there's a few of them, 3 of them. I love the patina on them. You could paint them if you wanted to, but look how pretty they look just stacked up. This copper watering can has amazing patina. It's heavy too. Seems like good quality. Oh yeah, made in India. Got that. Look at this. I think I'm keeping it. Blue onion bowl. Excellent condition. Kingston ironstone from England. Beautiful. I got this little pitcher right here. I think this would be fun for spring. I love when it has this little detail at the bottom. It does have some chips on it, but it's older. You can tell by the staining, and I think that adds to the piece. There is a stamp on the bottom, but I can't tell what it says. And, oh, I wanted to look at this. Easter's coming. You know we're going to have to send stuff to school. I thought this was cute. It looks like there's a lot of Easter eggs in here, and I like how big they are. The smaller ones are harder to put candy in, so I think I will get this. And I like the cute big egg, too. I just found this book. It's so funny looking. I gotta get it. Me and Ren's gonna read it tonight. Look at him. It's adorable. He's cute. Getting that. And I got this. It's just a St. Johnson's Bay packable raincoat, and I'm going to put it in the pouch and leave it in my car because I absolutely hate using an umbrella. And you know, at soccer games and stuff like that, or you never know when it's gonna rain, so I'm just gonna keep this in my car. I saw this and immediately sent my friend a picture. She's having a silly goose themed birthday party for her girls and asked me to be on the lookout for some gooses. And of course she needs a mother goose. She texted me back and said, yes, absolutely get it. So I'm gonna get that for her. All right, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think I had enough of the Goodwill Bins and I am ready to go home. I've spent so much time over here the past few days, but I got some really good items. I love that cat painting. Love these. Oh, I forgot about that quilt I had down there. So y'all leave a comment and let me know what is your favorite item I got today. And I will put a total on the screen of what I spent and see y'all in the next thrifting adventure.